What's going on, everyone? Me and Zoe just had a really nice date night. Had a really good dinner at In-N-Out. And now we're gonna fly out, have some hot chocolate, and watch the sunset. Let's go do that. Got everything we're gonna need in here. Oh no, we don't. Wait, do we? No, we don't. Okay, everything's in the helicopter. Gonna go park my truck, and let's get going. Charlie Tower, helicopter 5-4 Tango Fox with the quantum mark like southbound departure with information, Echo.
Yeah, 5-4 Tango Foxtrot, Chandler Tower at the helipad, clear for takeoff, south departure approved.
Clear for takeoff on the ramp, south departure approved for Tango Fox. Turn that air off, open some vents up, get some air going. So, me and Zoe have been thinking about this for a while. We decided we'd go out here, find a cool spot to land, have some hot chocolate, enjoy the sunset. She's a big sunset person, so I figured why not. And I like playing with all my gadgets and burners and camping gear anyway, so I figured perfect excuse. We don't have a whole lot of time, so we're just gonna kind of go right over here to a place that I've commonly landed at. It's a cool spot, but it's not too far away, so that's where we're headed. We should be there in just a minute. Now that it's cooled off here, it's so much nicer to fly. The air is a lot more stable. You're not getting bounced around. You're not sweaty by the time you get in the helicopter. It's just a lot nicer to fly. Right?
It's beautiful. It is a lot nicer, a lot smoother. You can really tell the difference. When we were like flying around over summer, it was super bumpy, and then when we got to San Diego, I was expecting like the worst.
Yeah, San Diego was a lot. San Diego was really stable. That was a lot of fun.
It was beautiful. I don't think we hit like any turbulence at all.
That was a good time. I'll insert a clip here. I still haven't made a video of that. I really should, but I haven't.
Hacker.
Yeah, I know. I need to get on that. Start bleeding off some airspeed here. While we bleed off airspeed, continue our downwind, looking at our spot, making sure it is clear. No wires, no other helicopters.
That might be a problem.
Okay, I'm gonna just come this way so we have plenty of space to... And there's the ground. That should work. You guys have seen this place a few times in the vlog. Not a really new spot, but I think it's gonna be perfect to see what's left of the sunset.
Got our blanket.
Nice pad.
Shout out to your mom for getting that for us.
Come
on. Watching him struggle is one of my favorite hobbies. Definitely wearing the correct foot attire, you know?
She's got the nice shoes on from our fancy date at In-N-Out. Alright, come here. Let's go. Let's enjoy this. Everything we're gonna need is right here. Except for the water. Gotta have the water. We got the burner all set up. Zoe's gonna pour in the water right now. Yeah. Ready?
Do I just pour it all in there?
Yep. Pour it all in there. Should be ready any second. Let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, I am pretty sure this is about as hot as it's gonna get. Let's get some hot water poured.
Careful.
One cup. Two cups.
Yum.
All right, I'm just gonna set that back down here. Turn the gas off. We're gonna use the back of a match here to stir it all up. But I think this is gonna be good.
Did you use your secret ingredient?
Peppermint schnapps? I did not this time. You can't drink when you fly. I guess we could have brought it for you.
Maybe next time.
I don't even want to try that yet. That's probably really hot. Yeah, I can probably try it's hot. We ran out of light, but we're still drinking our hot chocolates. They turned out pretty well. They're really hot, so we're kind of letting them cool off. But I think this was a success. I think the best part of tonight was definitely the really fancy dinner at In-N-Out, though. That was the best part.
Really know how.
Props to me for planning a day, huh? Cheers, babe. That's not too bad.
It's not?
No.
I kind of let you take the fall for that.
I know you did. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here since we're kind of out of light, and now we're just gonna clean up and head back to town. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I have a lot more to make, I just need to edit them, okay?